one of us in this room, wherever you might find yourself spiritually, whether you believe in God or are you kind of skeptical about this whole God thing, I can tell you this much. Everyone in this room and everyone on this earth is placing their faith in something. I mean, quick question. Can you see fear? You can't see fear. But some people have so much belief in fear that they never do what they're supposed to do. Some people have more faith in News 24 or Media 24 than they have in the Word of God. Some people have more faith in Facebook than His book. They read one thing. I mean, can I submit to you as well? So have you guys seen some of these pictures on social media where they put like a celebrity's face and they put like writing on it? Please, can I share this with you? Just because it's got a celebrity's face on does not mean that it's the truth. So don't be deceived. I mean, some people posting up WhatsApp statuses and it sounds good, but it's not the truth. Because it's got a celebrity's face on and it says wisdom quotes, but that wisdom from the wrong tree. That wisdom coming from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil is not coming from the tree of life.